Instagram now needs your permission to use your data. A new consent screen is popping up inside the app. 4 items, all marked mandatory or required. There's no way to decline and keep using Instagram. Here's what it actually means and what you can do. There's 4 things you're being asked to agree on. 1. Collecting and using your personal data. 2. Sharing it with other meta companies. 3. Moving your data to offices and partners worldwide. And 4. Tracking your location. All of them are locked on. Read before you tap I agree. Here's the bit that's properly unfair. Real consent means you can say no. This screen pretends to ask, but the only button is I agree. Try to skip it, you lose access to the app. A choice that can't be declined isn't really a choice at all. When Meta says share with Meta companies, they mean 6 places: Facebook, WhatsApp, Threads, MetaQuest, third-party ad partners, and data centers worldwide. One agreement, many destinations. The data moves through the whole empire the minute you tap agree. 4 things you can actually do. 1. Download your data first. Go to settings, account center, your information. 2. Limit ad tracking in the ads menu. 3. Use Instagram in your browser. Less data collected than the app. And 4. Consider switching Signal for chats, Pixel Fed for photos. Have you seen this screen yet? Drop your answer below. Already tapped agree? Haven't tapped yet? Or not seen at all? Curious on how widespread this is and what country you're in?